What's up guys, Ben Wilson with Beardbrand Alliance, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I style my beard when I'm going for a more natural look. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to jump right into it. This is how I normally like to style my beard. If you saw some previous videos I did, that involves blow drying, using a flat iron, sleep on it, and then the next day it's about exactly where I want it. The way my beard is right now, I haven't really done anything to it today. I think I just really brushed it, add a little bit of beard oil, nothing more, and it stayed like this. Now, for the more natural style, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash my beard, condition it, I'm gonna let it air dry, and what that's gonna do, it's going to bring some more texture back into my beard, and it's going to also shorten it a bit. And the styling that I do after that is gonna be very minimal. I'm just gonna pick it out a little bit, and then it's gonna be ready to go. So I'm gonna hop in the shower now, and then we'll get into it. Okay guys, just hopped out of the shower. Now all I'm gonna do is dry off my beard with a towel. I don't wanna use a blow dryer because I don't really want my beard to straighten out. So I'm just gonna towel dry it and remove some of the excess moisture, and then allow it to air dry a little bit. And what that's gonna do is going to help add to the waviness and the bulk of my beard. Okay, it's about as dry as I can get it with a towel, so I'm just gonna let it air dry, and then I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, so my beard is mostly dry. So you can see there's a lot more bulk to it than before. And so I wanna keep that, so I'm not really gonna do too much to it. I'm only gonna add some beard oil to it, and then I'm gonna pick it out. So for beard oil, using Stone Mason, I do about 5-6 drops. And the only reason I'm not using any utility balm is because I'm not really looking for hold. I'm just looking to moisturize my beard. So now I'm gonna pick out my beard. Gonna use the comb on my mustache. And that's it. Then I just kind of shape it out a little. There it is. That's how I would style my beard. I'm going for the more natural, full look. That's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about anything you saw today, just let me know in the comment section below. And until next time, stay safe, and I'll see you then.